Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan, and in this video we're taking a look at the BMW F10 normal halogen headlight that has been upgraded with the high power LED modules and with a LED lens. To be really specific about it, it was a LED and laser lens. The bad part was that after one day of testing, I kind of managed to make sure that that lens, or to make the laser fail. And now I'm working with the supplier to get a replacement and see what was the issue. But overall, we are upgrading those angel eyes and the main light source with a LED light source. It is time consuming. It is tricky to open the headlight. BMW doesn't make our life any easier by using permaseal, so for these headlights you kind of need to cut them open, clean those edges properly, and after that put some butyl tape and seal them very well. This was tricky also on the electrical side of things, because fitting the high power LED modules requires cutting and adapting, and also it requires some adapting on the electrical side of things. Now that I understand better how these headlights are working, I think that on the next headlight I'll be doing it a little bit faster. Overall, in testing, they look very OEM. They look exactly like the Xenon headlights, and the light pattern that the lens offers is good also. I'm looking forward to testing them on the road, and also I'm looking forward to filming those results and sharing them with you guys also. I hope that this video was inspiring for you. Maybe you will attempt this type of mod also. And on that note, I'm going to see you in the next video.